Hey, what's up guys, iPhone 12 leaks are back and this time they are going to do something really powerfully insane. But there is a major F that Apple has taken once again this year. In past couple of months that we have listened that this time Apple is going to come up with smaller note, but they had played a major prank on all of us. They are going to use the same note design that we have seen in iPhone 10C back in 2017. In age of punch hole design, we are going to see the same note style in iPhone 12. Apple, are you kidding? It matters for the people like me who wants the most bezel-less design in the smartphone with high refresh rate is compulsory. In case you are living under a rock, 2020 standard for smartphone is high refresh rate bezel-less design with smaller notch. We have this specification from all the major players like Oppo, OnePlus, Huawei, Vivo and from Samsung. And on the other hand, Apple is going to create its own league with 60Hz refresh rate and with bigger notch. All the major players have this, but Apple knows how to do marketing with this stuff with bigger notch and slow refresh rate. And this year Apple is going to introduce 4 iPhone 12 models with 2 non-Pro model and with 1 Pro model in them. And they are going to rely more on these non-Pro model because they could be the best selling iPhone of 2020. If you look at the chart of the top selling mobile phones, congratulations, iPhone 11 is on top. And then comes the Samsung A51, which is the next affordable smartphone from Samsung. And if you look at the pricing, it seems that the iPhone 12 5G model is going to be a little bit more expensive from the previously leaked pricing of iPhone 12 from $699 to $1100 for the Pro Max. Apple says that they are going to bring slimmer bezel and this time they are going to come with boxy design, which they say that it will feel more premium in your hands. Apple is also going to bring little bit changes in the camera arrangement of iPhone 12 lineup. Apparently LiDAR scanner is also present in non-Pro models. This could bring some amazing features in iPhone 12 non-Pro models. According to a leakster, Apple is going to launch some assistant photography mode in iPhone 12 lineup, but this feature will not be available from out of the box. It will be available soon after its launch, and this is the same thing that they did with their iPhone 11 lineup, which they launched after iOS 13.2 update. As far as camera is concerned, this year they are still going to use 12 megapixel sensor with better and improved optics. They have also tested a 64 megapixel camera sensor, but this did not work out for them, and they consider to use 12 megapixel better autofocus camera unit, and they are going to bring some improvement in the camera sensor. And it is also said that it is going to come with rumored astrophotography mode. Tell me about your thoughts of iPhone 12 camera section in comment section down below. And again, they are going to come with the same node design, and they are going to come with the most powerful chipset of A14, which is 5nm chipset, and it is the same chipset that we are going to see in the upcoming MacBook of 2020. And this chipset is going to come with the 40% more improvement from the previous generation A13 chipset, which is 7nm chipset. Imagine having this kind of chipset in your pocket which can run your PC. It is completely overpowered. And Apple is going to launch this year iPhone 12 series in two parts. 6.1 inch might arrive a little bit earlier, and then 6.7 inch iPhone 12, which is the Pro model and with the smallest iPhone of the entire series of the 5.4 inches. And this was it for this video. Tell me about your thoughts in the comment section down below. I hope that you will like this review about iPhone 12. If you like this review, then like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Catch you next one.